this place was very clear. No valleys were passing through. Within 2 years, this gully started to come. It continues every year, over every month when rain rains, it continues to expand. But within these following years, it becomes very big. But I think that within 5 years, it will expand, and all the things within this valley, it will not be seen. Our land, which is near the gully, it goes all away. And we are now worried with the time being, what shall we do when it continues to take our land?
Imvura keragwaho kace, amezi gahimintika mingi, gasore misiri, gasitwara amabare mu mataka gobere gaboneraga abantu agu barahinga, konka ubwabutiye misiri imwe nyingi eshishikere habwo joshonga y'imvura kugwa munonga. Ekitongore cya CommonGround kukijire cyatwegese okutushemeye kuba turarinda amataka getu, ahagumye tukateramo ebisizi tukabyaramu ekinyasi, konka abantu kuturababarira batabikore. Mbwenu twobere turashaba kugira ngo tukwasikanye, kugira ngo umurango gwahurwa hari buryomwe, kugira ngo twarinde itaka getu.
Now, Kigezi is one of the regions of Uganda with a heritage hill. This area, by 1950, was already densely populated. During the colonial rule that was there then, because of the dense population, there has been a lot of land degradation, and therefore, the Europeans were forced to do what we call terracing and contouring of the area, because they wanted to reduce the gradient of the hills, to stop and check the runoff speed, control soil erosion, and increase productivity, since now hunger and poverty had stricken at its highest level. Now, the terraces were able to rejuvenate the functionality of the ecosystem of the highland, and the production was restored, and again people started enjoying the Kigezi. Because Kigezi has volcanic soils, the crop yield is always very high, and it is a niche for almost a variety of crops that can withstand both temperate and semi-temperate environments. Now, what is happening today, population has again speeded up. The communities have forgotten the importance of the terraces and the land water conservation bands, to the extent that they have destroyed almost all of them. Now, erosion is rampant again. Landslides are killing people. Like where we have been today, in Hamuragu area, near Fasha area in Ikamero, Muko sub-county. 12 people died around 2021 because of floods. We have assessed gullies. So, in my opinion, the leaders of Kigezi need to work with partners, especially like the CommonGround project, and get technologies that we have developed at research in Nangaro, including restoration of wetlands. For example, we have contour reversed bench terraces, we have agroforestry, we can restore degraded watersheds, we can rehabilitate the gullies using numerous integrated approaches. You can use grass, you can use regenerative agriculture technologies, you can use gabions. We implement them with focused bylaws, and then we are able to reverse the degradation of Kigezi and bring back the lost glory.
We as a project, we are aware that there is soil erosion, but we have not been knowing to what extent is the damage. We could not know whether you need the gabions before assessing. So now we know we need some gabions, and then we need to stabilize the slopes using the vegetation measures, grasses, and some deep-rooted trees, and so on. So as a project, we are now planning to have targeted measures to the areas where we have which we have done the assessment in, so that we don't just do blanket application of measures. As a project, we also want to maximize our resource allocation to ensure that what we do is where we shall have the high impacts. So we need to have our impacts concentrated in areas we can easily control. But this will need us to have the community collectively engaged. And that's one reason we have been doing the assessment, to also mobilize the community to come together for rehabilitation of these areas that are extremely degraded.